Today we're doing a repair on a Ford Falcon BA 2003 model. It's got the 6-cylinder motor in it. It's idling very roughly, and what I've done, I've just put the scanner on it, and we've got a code, a P0325, a knock sensor. Now, I don't know if you can see how it's running rough as guts there. The BA Falcons, the knock sensor's above the filter there. It's a little bit hard to gain access from the top, so we're going to just whiz that filter off, and we'll get better access to it. So I've just whizzed the filter off now, and we're just going to let it drain, just so the oil's not dripping on us while we're working under it. It's a little bit awkward to get to, but basically there it is there, if you can see that. Fold it in. It's not these other two sensors, they're for your oil pressure. I'm just going to blow it all out around the sensor there, take the plug off. Don't actually pull the plug off, so what I'm going to do is just undo it. It's a 10mm, little 10mm socket there. You can see I've already put the socket on there, and I'll undo that, and then there should be enough of that loom there to come down so I can get two hands on it and pull that plug off. There we go. Can get two hands on it now and just pull that plug off. Two little spring steel brackets up like that with a screwdriver. Careful it doesn't fly off so you don't lose it. And then you can just slide out that knock sensor. There we go, that's what it looks like. They're also known as a pre-detonation sensor. They just tell the computer if it's firing too early or too late, and the computer will just readjust whatever it does, usually the timing accordingly. Okay, we've got the new one there. We're just going to put it in place. Just do a visual check to make sure it looks much the same or similar, and importantly that the plugs are the same. Just going to blow out that plug, make sure it's nice and clean, and I'm going to just spray a little bit of WD-40 in there just to make sure that the connection's good. There we go, I've got the new knock sensor on. And now it's just a matter of bolting it back up. I've made sure that the clip's on properly, and that the plug, I slid it in and out a couple of times just to make sure there's a good connection there. And if the terminals on the plug are a little bit corroded, that'll clean it off. And one other thing that I did while I'm there, I just nipped up those bottom, if you can see that bolt there, that was quite loose on the inlet manifold. So I just went and just nipped up all the other ones that I could reach from underneath. And don't forget to put your engine oil filter back on if you had it removed. And we're ready for a test now. There we go. Replacing the knock sensor, running a bit better. Still probably worth doing a tune-up on it, but that's another story. Anyway, thank you for watching.